Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add lower third logo animation to your video using Filmora 12. Okay, so you know that we are going to have Lunar New Year in Vietnam, so I'm going to have a break for about 7 days. By the way, it's okay to make a tutorial for you. Okay, so this is a question from World Traveler. Thanks, your excellent tutorial. And I'm about to publish my first video using Filmora mainly because of your help. However, I have a logo that I need to run in lower right hand corner of my video, but I can find how to change the shape from square to round. When I try masking, it changes the shape of the main video, but I only want to change the embedded logo. Can you please point me to a tutorial? Okay, so it is very simple. Let's go to Filmora now. Okay, so this is a start page of Filmora. So let's create a new project from here. Alright, so next step, let's import your logo. Okay, so I have some logo here, channel logo. And I'm going to use my channel logo here. And let's click open. And we need a video. I'm going to use a stock video. For example, this one. This is a 4K. By the way, we want to keep it at 1080p. Okay, and let's change the preview quality to half. Alright, so and now we need to drag and drop our logo on top of the video. Okay, just go back to media, and this is the logo. Just put it right here, and this is my logo. So I'm going to delete the zoom and pan effect in my logo. Just right click at the logo and select delete effect. And now we need to click here and then scale it down to the right corner or left corner. Okay. So normally when you add a lower third logo animation, you want to put it at the left corner right here. And the next thing, you want to apply an image mask to this logo. Okay, just click OK and go to Effect tab and search for image mask and press enter. Okay, so here is the image mask. All you need to do is to drag and drop it directly to the image on the timeline or the logo image on the timeline. Okay, just drag and drop it here, and then you want to double click here at the logo and select effect. Now you can adjust the width and the height or stuff like that of the mask. Okay, so you can even change the mask type right here. Okay, so there are many shapes for the mask right here. By the way, I think it should be okay for my logo right now. And let's play, and we can play the logo. Okay, and next up, you want to add animation to this logo. Okay, just double click at the logo again and select image and select animation. Now I can select a preset animation, or I can add animation keyframe to this logo. By the way, I think this should look fine. Text in, just double click. Okay, and very nice. And now when we have the logo on the timeline, we want to have a text to say your channel name, right? And we want to put the playhead here at this position. And now we can select this quick text option. Just click here and select quick text. And now we want to select the text right here and move it to this side and double click. Just write your channel name. Okay, and you can format the text also. For example, you can change the fonts. I want to, yeah, I think this should look fine. Arizona regular, or this one, audio Y. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, and I will increase the size to 44 and press enter. I can even change the color with the preset option right here also. By the way, I just want to put my name right here. And I want to select an animation for the text. So right insert. Okay, so I think this left direction insert should be fine. Just double click here to apply it. And let's click OK. And now we have the animation. Okay. Okay, so we want to extend the duration of the logo to the duration of the text. And finally, we want to add keyframe to this logo so it disappears. Maybe fade out or stuff like that. So I'm going to spread out the timeline here and going to add one keyframe right here. just click here to add one keyframe, and then I want to move my playhead to this position, and then I can adjust the opacity. Okay, so this is the keyframe opacity, so we're going to reduce it to 0. Okay, and this is the final result. Very nice, right? And now if you want to export this preset as a template so you can use it next time, it is also very easy. Just delete the video here on the timeline, and then you want to move this one to the beginning, and then you want to click File and Save Project as Template. Okay, and now Filmora will save this project as template. So next time, for example, you can have another video. Okay, for example, we can use this video, just put it here, and now you want to find that template, just go to Template tab right here and select Mine and Custom. Okay, so this is the lower third logo animation. Just drag and drop it onto a timeline, and now you have this video and the lower third, something like this. Okay, so this is how to add lower third logo animation to your video using Filmora 12. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.